Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to analyze markets, understand customers and make smarter business decisions, using Perplexity AI can give you fast data-driven insights. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI for markets research effectively. So first thing first, start with web mode. So open Perplexity AI, select web focus mode and give this gives like real-time market data, news and trends. It's the foundation of markets research. Okay, you can also define a research goal. So for example, market size of fitness industry 2026. Okay, so try this, for example, like this. Okay, or best selling product in Morocco, in America, in Turkey. We have trends in online education. Okay, so be specific because clear goal equals better insights. Okay, you can also analyze market trends. So ask what are current trends in and write the industry. What is growing fast right now? So look for growth areas, emerging markets. Okay, and spot opportunities. Okay, you can study competitors too. So ask top competitors in and write the industry are interested in. For example, another question, what makes them successful? Okay, analyze pricing, strategy, positioning. Okay, learn from others. Okay, and then understand customers. So switch to social focus mode. For example, ask what do users think about certain products. Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.